Hello again, YouTube family. Please, if you like these videos, hit the like button. Please subscribe, and by all means, ring the bell for notifications. Thanks again for joining me on this video. And in this video, I'm talking about a recent decision by the Minnesota Supreme Court. And it's a sexual assault conviction was recently overturned in Minnesota because the victim allowed herself to get intoxicated. Under Minnesota law, someone qualifies as mentally incapacitated if they do not drink alcohol or take drugs of their own free will. Basically, in Minnesota, you are asking for it if you willingly drink alcohol and become intoxicated. The state Supreme Court decided that if a rape victim got herself drunk, her rape does not factor in court. This case is a man picked up a woman in 2017 after she had been turned away from a bar for being too intoxicated. He invited her to a party, then took her back to his house where there was no party. She fell asleep on his couch, then woke up to find him penetrating her. She told him she didn't want that, then fell back to sleep. She awakened the next morning with her shorts around her ankles. The man who perpetrated the rape did not disagree in court with her version of events. He didn't argue against the original prosecutor's argument that he could tell she was extremely intoxicated. His defense lawyer argued that she did not qualify as mentally incapacitated due to the state's law. And it is Minnesota's third-degree criminal sexual assault law that is the crux of the issue here at hand in the Supreme Court's appeal. In the Minnesota law, someone is only mentally incapacitated if they are unwillingly made intoxicated. And that is in my opinion, really stupid law, but a woman basically in Minnesota can't be raped if she allowed herself to get legally drunk. Women are constantly being accused of asking for it with regard to sexual assault, being faulted for not modifying their own behavior, and with Minnesota's law, I don't see how this law can stand. A man could basically roofie a woman's drink, then rape her and get away with it because she willingly drank the alcoholic beverage. I mean, if a guy roofies a girl on a date rape, which is insanely common in this country, and she admits in court that she willingly drank the alcoholic beverage, there's better than not odds that the guy would get away with the date rape. And as people have pointed out, someone's body is not going to process alcohol differently depending on whether they were willing or forced to drink alcohol. Your body is going to process an alcoholic beverage the same whether you willingly drink or unwillingly drink. And the thing is, if you're drunk to the point of intoxication, you are mentally incapacitated to make rational decisions. The justices seemed perplexed by the decision they had to render. They addressed the issues with the state law. They pointed it out that because of the way the law is written in the state of Minnesota, they had to make the decision they made. They seemed bothered by the fact that the man willingly acknowledged she was drunk beyond all repair. He took her back to his apartment. He had sex with her, but she allowed herself to get drunk. She couldn't claim mental incapacitation. And so since she did not stop him from raping her, it's considered consensual. Even though she was too drunk to stay conscious, let alone stop that from happening. The Chief Justice also acknowledged the pervasity of sexual assault in the U.S. Nearly half of all women in the United States are sexually assaulted during their lifetime. An estimated 10 million women have been raped while under the influence of alcohol or drugs. And critics of Minnesota's law in the past have accused the state of codifying women or asking for it into law. The Minnesota law makes it difficult to impossible to prosecute sexual assaults such as the one in this case. It's insanity, and it's truly unfortunate. Truly unfortunate. In this case, she's basically screwed because of the way the law is, and there are apparently some legislators in Minnesota looking to try and change the law. But this woman, it's too late. Her case has been heard, and it has basically been decided that she was allowed to be raped because she got drunk. Now, I do not disagree with the perspective that if you allow yourself to get falling down drunk, you are setting yourself up for a dangerous situation. However, just because someone drinks to the point of severe intoxication does not in any way allow another person to rape them. That's insane. That's insane that we have lawmakers who made a law with such a fatal flaw in the state of Minnesota. And in this case, it's unfortunate. This woman was raped. She has no recourse because she willingly got intoxicated. And hopefully the law will be changed. Hopefully there will not be other women in the future that fall victim to this law. And if you are a woman out there and you like to go out and drink and enjoy yourself, please, for anybody, man or woman. I mean, if you're a guy, if you're a girl, if you get that drunk, and I'm not judging, there are people that enjoy getting drunk, going and partying with friends. There are some people that like to blow off steam by getting drunk. There are some people that have a hard week, or going through a difficult life problem, some kind of difficult breakup, and you're going to go out with your girlfriends, your guy friends, whoever, and get drunk. And that's your intent at the start of the night. There are people that start off the night with that intent to get drunk. It's a way some people deal with difficulties in life. And I understand it, but please, if you are planning to drink, plan it out while you're sober. Make sure that you have someone or some persons with you that you trust, who are family or friends, who will look out for you if you plan on getting drunk. Guy or girl, you're putting yourself in a vulnerable situation if you get drunk in public. Hazardous situation. You could be arrested, you could be attacked, you could be assaulted, you could be raped. So please, if you're, you've got a rough week, you've talked to your friends, you're going out this Saturday to get drunk at a bar, a club, wherever, make sure that you plan how you're getting there, plan how you're getting back. If you're going out somewhere and you're saying, well, there's a bar here, next door to it there's a hotel, I'm going to get a room at the hotel, I'm going to go drink. When I'm done, I'm going to go to the hotel and sleep it off. I can walk to the bar, I can walk back to the hotel or stumble or whatever. And plan it out when you're sober. But please, please, have somebody with you you trust who's going to look out for you, who's not going to get falling down drunk, someone who will watch over you when you do. If that's your plan for the evening, if you're someone who gets drunk too often and you recognize that and you don't mind it, please again plan to have somebody with you to watch out for you when you go out, when you get drunk. So that way, if you're falling down drunk and some dude at the bar says, hey, I can take you home, you've got somebody watching your back to say, no, he's not taking you home. I'm here with you to make sure you're okay. I'm taking you home. Guy, friend, girlfriend, whether you're a man, a woman, whatever, please plan it before you do it. Plan it when you're sober. It's truly unfortunate what happened in Minnesota. There was a guy who raped a woman, and the Minnesota Supreme Court had to overturn it because of the way the law was worded. It's insane, but please, if you're going to go out and drink, plan it beforehand. Thanks for watching.